In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in resume in Canva. If you're sharing your resume digitally, adding clickable links to your professional profiles, portfolio, or email makes it easy for recruiters to learn more about you in one click. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply. Start by opening your resume in Canva. Once your design is loaded, click directly on the exact text you want to turn into a link. This might be a label like LinkedIn ID, your website address, or your email line. Make sure the full phrase you want link is highlighted so the link applies to all of it, not just a single letter or word. When that text is selected, a small floating toolbar will appear near it. Look for the chain link icon. That's the link tool. If you don't see it right away, click the More option, represented by 3 dots, to expand the toolbar and choose Link from there. This opens a box where you can place your link. Paste your website, LinkedIn profile, or email address into the link box. Using the complete address helps avoid broken links, so paste the full URL for websites and profiles, or simply paste your email address if that's what you're linking. This tells Canva exactly where to send someone when they click. Next, press Enter, click Done, or click anywhere outside the box to apply the link. You might notice the text underlines automatically to indicate it's now clickable. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can remove the underline using your regular text formatting controls. Don't worry, removing the underline won't remove the link itself, it only changes the appearance. To ensure your links work when you share your resume, download it correctly. Go to Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard, which is designed for digital use. If you see an option labeled Flatten PDF, make sure it's unchecked. Flattening can merge elements and may disable interactivity, so leaving it unchecked preserves your clickable links. Then download your file. In most modern PDF viewers and applicant tracking systems, those links will remain active. Keep in mind that printed copies won't be clickable, so this is mainly for digital sharing. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.